I've just got the fish spray and putting it on the unhooking mat. My little cousin can take some photos and a video, just because the video was like good for, obviously, the YouTube, innit? Nah, I've got it. Oh my god. So, I'll spray it first. I don't even remember where the foot is. I'm pretty sure it's on this side anyway. Yeah, on top of it. I don't know if you can see all that. With its mouth there. Oh, it's ready to go, this one.
Didn't like that, did it?
It's trying to get away, man. Trying to hook you, buddy. I don't think I can get it inside his mouth, but that'll do.
Ready?
Right, record as well, yeah?
Record.
Yeah. Stand straight in front of me. Are you recording as well? Yes, I'm on. First fish shot day, come on, get up. Well, yeah, beautiful fish, as you can see. We're going to release it now. So let's go. Also I need to spray these ones. These ones, I do believe that those ones right there, pretty sure they are from another fish. If not, it might just be from, jeez, it doesn't spray out very good, does it? Yeah. I thought that was supposed to be purple anyway.
It looks it, doesn't it?
Well, it's not, is it? But we are just going to get a nice little release on her. Him or her. Might not be ready to go yet. Nah, he's not ready. Shall I put him back in?
Yeah.
He might swim when I grab him.
You did with mine.
What?
Got a thing we did with mine where you like wagged his tail a bit and it went.
Yeah, it's going, look.
Did it go?
No. It's still there.
Let's put it in net for him. Oh yeah, I can see it.
It'll be in shock. Yeah, it's going. It's gone. It's gone. Yes.
I wish I could cast over there.
It's just there anyway, you can still see it.